Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to play TFT on your PC. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your CFT game if you already have it downloaded into your PC. So of course if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through the right client. If you have it, of course, the right client in your PC, that will be good. But if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through whatever browser you're using. In my case here, I'm actually using the Brave browser. For you, you can use whatever browser you have. Then you can just go into this URL section and make sure to type download right client, download TFT or Teamfight Tactics, or even download League of Legends. All of those three will actually download the right client first, and from there you'll be able to download whatever you want. Once the right client is downloaded, you'll have to go and open it up through the search or even through your desktop. Once it's open, you'll find yourself with the home screen or the main screen like this, and here you'll find your games that is already downloaded into your PC. If you have the Teamfight Tactics, that's already cool, but if you don't, you'll have to scroll down a bit and download it with the Teamfight Tactics here. Click on it, and here you'll be able to download it through the League of Legends in your PC, or through the App Store in your iPhone, or even through the Play Store in your Android. So of course for us in League of Legends, if you click on League of Legends, they will take you to download the League of Legends. So they have to download the League of Legends if you want to play the TFT. And of course for you will not find this first. They'll actually ask you to log in into your account first. For me, I'm already logged in, into my account. And for you, if you have an account, just don't log into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go again into your browser and simply type here create Riot Games account, and that account will actually give you the option to log in into the League of Legends, the TFT, the Valorant, all the Riot Games games with one account. So of course, once you do that, you'll have just to click at play, and let's just wait for the League of Legends game until it opens. As you can see, it is opening right now. So let's just wait a bit until it loads, and once you are here, as you can see, that is going to be the client of League of Legends. Here simply, if you want to play TFT, you'll have to click at this play button. As you can see, it was not available. Now it's available. That's because just it was still loading. And here, if you want to play Teamfight Tactics, you'll have to click at this TFT, and here you will have a lot of options or a lot of mode. You'll have the normal mode, the 1v0 mode if you want to try something alone, the 2v0 mode, which is the double up and alone with your friend, and the hyper roll and the double up alone. So choose whatever you want. Let's say, as an example, the 1v0. Click as confirm, and simply here find the game. And as you can see, this will pop into your client. Make sure to accept if you want to play the game, and if you don't want to, just decline. Maybe you want to do something before you play or something, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.